Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Have you ever been sick in Korea and didn't know what to do? Don't worry, I got you. Today I'll show you exactly how you use the hospital in Korea. Let's go! So before we actually hop into the hospital, I'll tell you the overall process first. So first, you register. Second, you wait. Third, you see the doctor. And four, finally, you go to the pharmacy for your medication. Let's hop in. So this is the front desk. It is where you register for your doctor's appointment. And thankfully, if you just hand them your passport or your ID card, they will do the register for you. So make sure you explain your symptom.
네, 교수님 증상이 어떠실까요?
코가 막히고
코가 막히고. 네, 일단 자리에 앉아서 대기해 주실게요.
After that, you just sit and wait until they call your name. Oh, that's me! After your name is called, they will tell you which room to go. And this is the doctor's office. In here, you just have to explain what symptoms you have. So for example, you can go like, oh, I have a headache. I keep on coughing. That is all you need. You don't need any perfect English for this. Now you're done with the consultation and it's time for you to make a payment at the front desk again. And also if you need a doctor's note, you have to let them know before the payment. After you're done with the consultation and you made your final payment at the front desk, now you'll get a prescription like this. So it's time for you to get your medication, so let's hop into the pharmacy together. In Korea, hospitals and pharmacies are separate, so for your medication after the appointment, you have to go to the pharmacy separately. First, you hand your prescription to the pharmacist. They'll check your information and start preparing your medicine. After a few minutes, they'll call your name. Then they'll walk you through how to take it, like how many times a day, whether to take it with food, and how long you need to keep taking it. A lot of the time, they'll also write the key instructions right on the medicine bag so you don't forget. And if anything's unclear, don't hesitate to ask. They're happy to explain again. Once you've got your medicine, you're all set. Time to go home and get some rest. However, if you're in an emergency situation, don't come here. You can either call 119, which is a medical help, 112, which is police help. Also, there are a couple of emergency apps that you can use, which is 긴급신고 바로 and Emergency Ready app. They support multiple languages such as Korean, Vietnamese, English, Japanese, and etc. So if you have any emergency and you're like struggling to call someone, you can use this app. Okay, let's quickly go over again. First, you register. Second, you wait. 3, you go and see the doctor. 4, you make your payment. Okay, that's the end of our video, and if this video helped you, please subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to hit the notification button. I'll be coming to you with the next video. Bye guys! We're at the Songdo Central Healthcare Center, and here it is actually one of the IFEZ Global Customer Friendly Business, so you can get services in English and Chinese.